may have heard about how many people are pulling their money out of the stock market and going after real estate. And this ebbs and flows, but there's been a huge shift from people taking money out of the market because they get tired of the ups and downs of the market, and they're putting their money into real estate investing. So let me share with you 5 reasons why I personally like real estate investing over stock. Number 1 is cash flow. On a property that is a rental property, you've got cash flow coming in every month. Every month that tenant is in the property and they're paying their rent. Now, of course, there are risks associated with that, but historically, you're going to have a positive cash flow situation where you've got that month in and month out. Number 2, tax deductions. We have some investors who choose to invest in real estate simply to take advantage of tax deductions. And one of those, just for an example, is depreciation. The government allows you to depreciate as an expense item the value of the real estate over time. You want to make sure you use an accountant for this, but what that means at the end of the day is I have properties as rental properties where I'm making a positive cash flow. At the end of the year, I made money. I brought in actual hard cash in that property. However, when I file my taxes, the property will show a loss for the year because of things like depreciation. That's something the IRS allows you to do. That's a great benefit of that. Third is the equity build up over time on a property, which you can really capitalize on through leverage. So every month when my tenant pays my rent, I take some of that money and pay the mortgage payment. I have just increased the equity of the property. I've increased my net worth because I paid down the principal on the property every single month. That equity increases every month that I'm paying my mortgage down, down, down. Number 4 is appreciation. If for no other reason, appreciation historically is a fabulous reason to choose to invest in real estate. If you buy a property today and you pay $100,000 for it, is there any doubt that 10 years from now, that property will appreciate an increase in value? How about 20 years from now? How about 30 years from now? Appreciation on a rental property is a fabulous reason to choose to invest in it. And 5th is the control, the tangibility side of things. I love the fact that I can drive by my property, look at it, touch it, see it, feel it. It's there, it's tangible. I have more control, much, much more so than I have over stock investing. Stock investing is just not that tangible. The grand sum total of those 5 things over time equals financial independence. That's what you want as an investor. You need that for retirement. You need that for the future. So whether or not you invest in stock, whether you invest in real estate, you need to be saving something for your future. But we have worked with literally thousands of investors since 1978, helping them to achieve that financial independence. And when they do it wisely and they don't over leverage, they do it cautiously, over time, you almost can't help but become financially independent through investing in real estate. We certainly believe that.